On this short video, I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram failed to send. So actually, I'm going to show you 3 ways to fix this problem. The first way, open the settings, go to the apps manager. On this page, you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So all what you have to do is wait a few seconds and then scroll. Let's wait. Scroll, click on Instagram when you find it, and then click on this force stop here in the top. As you can see, I already clicked on it, so that's it. And then go to the notifications management, make sure to enable all the notifications, and then go to the data usage, make sure that all these options are enabled, and then go to the storage, click on clear data, and click on clear cache. That's the first way. The second way is you have to go back to the settings, go to the wireless and networks, go to the airplane mode, enable it and disable it. And the third way and last one is you have just to restart your phone, and that's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.